Sheesh guys. So as you know, yesterday I tried wax. I went to the beach and my skin was peeling off. So when I did the waxing, this happened. I don't think it's because of the wax. It might be, but there's a lot of possibility that it's also because of the fact that my skin was peeling, obviously. I look so ugly on the camera right now, and I even have this pimple. Okay, I bought this new product, which is very, very cute. Hold on. It's a Korean lip balm.
You good? Are you gay? Mama, it's lip balm.
Why they add lots of scotch? Yeah, people might open it, but I don't know. In the Philippines, there's this excessive use of plastic. A lot of things are in plastic. Like if you want to sell products, you can open your own shop, which here is called tindahan, and you can sell those, but they're like always packed in plastic, which is one of the things that I really don't like about the Philippines. And also there's a lot of products that use palm oil, and I don't even like that. How you like that? This is a lip balm with red tint, Korean brand, kind of trusted. My haircut like this plus these are terrible together. I love my hair, honestly. Oh, I'm gonna try it. So excited how it is. Oh. Okay, here is the result. I like it, but I really wish I could do the effect like that. Here it's more red, and then it starts to fade right on the lip. I wish I could do that. I can't. I don't know how to do that, obviously. Maybe let's try it now. Maybe wavy. Maybe wavy, that's a sick. Blah blah blah.
But maybe wavy, it's not safe. Blah blah blah. Dad.
Gonna use the remaining on my face. Gonna make it more reddish with a little bit of color. Oh shit. Oh my god, no. What the hell did I do? What the hell did I do? I don't know how to make up, guys. We're going to a birthday party. A small one, I hope, because my mom told me that it's not that big. Okay, let's do this fast because my phone has full memory and I'm scared that I can't record the video. Okay, I'm gonna go first with the mascara. I think it's the easiest part. I don't even know if I'm gonna apply eyeliner because I'm not expert with the eyeliner. Absolutely not. I have to be really focused when I make up. I don't even usually do this. I bought this for myself as a Christmas present. It was even an offer. I love the offers that they do in Italy. They're real offers. Here it's done. Sheesh. Maybe I should. Okay, no. Oh my gosh, I think it's too red. I fixed it a bit, even though it still looked like this. And now let's try to apply the eyeliner. I think I'm gonna regret this. You know what?
Nope.
Never mind.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
Not today. I just don't know how to apply it. Oh, sheesh.